In a world where fashion is constantly shifting and evolving, one generation is rising to the forefront and leaving their mark on the industry. Generation Z, born between 1997 and 2012, is a diverse and tech-savvy group using their unique perspective to shape how we think about fashion. They are not just following trends, but creating them. In this video, we will delve into Gen Z's impact on the fashion industry and how they push the boundaries of what we consider fashionable. As social media continues to play an ever-increasing role in our lives, it is no surprise that it has also become a significant source of inspiration for fashion. Gen Z and millennials are drawing inspiration from each other on these platforms, resulting in the rise of micro-trends. However, some of these trends are impacting the fashion world more enormously. 2023 is predicted to be a year of grunge and dystopian looks. Unlike last year's dopamine dressing trend, this shift in style suggests that young consumers are beginning to step back from fast fashion trends and are instead cultivating their own unique style. Many are even taking the DIY approach and making their own clothes. Crochet-core, a sustainable and DIY trend, has become popular among Gen Z and millennials. The trend has been widely popularized on TikTok, where crocheting has become a huge Gen Z and millennial craft favorite. Many young crafters share their best techniques and patterns to encourage others to make custom clothes. Another trend gaining popularity among Gen Z and millennials is dystopian cyber styles. This trend draws inspiration from futuristically digital aesthetics and reflects our current dark and moody times. These styles are avant-garde and push the boundaries of fashion, drawing from the aesthetics of dystopian, cyberpunk worlds. On TikTok, related hashtags such as cybercore, dystopian fashion, and sci-fi fashion have millions of views, showing how Gen Z and millennials are already adapting these trends in their wardrobes. This style represents a departure from the traditional, high-fashion looks. It reflects the current state of the world, emphasizing technology and the future. In contrast to these futuristic styles, Gen Z also draws inspiration from the past. 2000s Normcore is a trend that taps into the timeless simplicity of everyday fashion from the early aughts. Y2K style has been prominent with young people, whether they remember the year 2000 or not. But now, young people are moving back to the basics of the aughts. Normcore taps into what people wore daily instead of the iconic moments of the 90s and 2000s. This trend is a sign that young consumers are looking for a more sustainable approach to fashion and are resistant to the fast-paced cycle of trends. Gen Z is shaping the fashion industry in ways we've never seen before. They embrace streetwear, push for sustainability, use social media to connect with others, express themselves, and demand inclusivity and diversity. They are fearless in mixing high and low fashion, old and new styles, and experimenting with different aesthetics. They are the ones who are breaking the mold and paving the way for a new era of fashion. The future of fashion is bright and diverse with Gen Z at the helm, and we can't wait to see what they will do next. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in various industries. Thank you for watching.